Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can move Valorant to another drive. So the first step, you need to download Valorant from your any browser. Once you download, so here you can see that in the programs it is an option to install. So click here, click on yes, wait for a few seconds here, and the next window will be open, that is Riot Games. Okay, and here you can see advanced option, click on that, and here you can select the install path. So I want this one into the D. Okay, here you can see select, then you need to click on install. So you can easily change your drive from here, go onto the PC. So I want in E. So now you can see that here it is in E. So this is a process that you need to follow to move Valorant to another drive. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.